Welcome to the personal property tour for 18 Turner Crescent in Methil. This is a fantastic 2-bedroom mid-terrace property. Lots of potential to add value here. You've got great front garden, lovely back garden, again lots of potential there as well. Really spacious property, lounge diner, I'm going to show you all of that in a second. But actually it's in a great location as well. I'm just going to flip the camera and let you see. So this is the property here. So as you can see, it's mid-terraced, but what's great about it is actually you have no through road. So you're in this off-street area, so we're parking down here, so no cars coming through, which is great for the kids. And I will just take you on the tour. So as we go in, you'll see you have a shared close, so that's great for your bin access for coming and going with yourself and your neighbours. And then I will take you on the tour. So go straight into the hallway. So we have a great big cupboard there, and I'll talk to you about that in a second. We're going to start upstairs. So as soon as we go upstairs, we'll go straight ahead into the family bathroom. So you have the family bathroom. So you've got your WC, your sink, and your bath. Lovely and bright actually with that window coming in. So lots of space in there as well. Off the landing, you've got the first of the doubles. So a great double room. You can see this furniture is actually quite bulky. So all of that out, you can see how much space you have. Lovely and bright. Nice big window. And it goes further around as well. I'll let you see it from this angle. So you can see, lovely big square room. So much potential. Be a great master bedroom. Then we'll go back out into the hallway. You'll see the attic hatch here as well, so it's partially floored, so room for storage. Then we're going to the next of the doubles. So again, a similar sized room. Got a cupboard to the left there, and a lovely big window. That's a big double in there. You can see lots of space. You can also see additional cupboard storage there as well. I'll let you see it from this angle. So again, you can see it's a nice, really big double. And it opens back out here. You've got this really nice big window lit and lots of light in. And just pointing out really the fact that there's no through road there. So this is great for a young family. Go back out into the hallway and then I'll take you downstairs. So you can see how bright it is here. It's a lovely spacious area. It helps you've got this big inlet here too, so it really brightens up the hallway. This cupboard is really big inside, so I mean I can walk in it and right through. What a lot of people have done in these properties is they've knocked through into the kitchen, and you'll see how that's possible in a second. There is power in there. You could potentially put downstairs WC, actually utility room as well, so lots of flexible living space. Straight ahead we'll go into the lounge. This is a lovely bright room. Straight away you're coming in, you're seeing that lovely big window that overlooks the front garden. Isn't it peaceful? So lots of space in here. You have a fire against that wall as well, so you can imagine without that there. And the furnishings here are quite big sofas, so lots of space. You've got the dual aspect as well at the bottom, so it's letting in lots of natural light. Got some nice ceiling roses there too. Plenty of space for dining furniture. Was a dining table here, easy to do that, so it'll be a great living space. Straight ahead, I'm going to take you into the kitchen. So as we go into the kitchen, this wall here is the one that it backs onto that cupboard. So what some people have done is they've knocked through to open that up, put the utility in there, giving themselves extra space to the kitchen. Alternatively, you can knock through and then close this door from the lounge and make it a completely separate room. So you can see it's lovely and spacious. Again, you've got lots of natural light coming in with the door and the window. You've got your extractor above. Again, lots of space, so you can see the potential you could have if you did that. But actually it's a nice sized room anyway. And you do have all that space in the lounge for your dining. Perfect. So what I'm going to do now is just take you out into the garden. Perfect. So we're just out into the garden now. So you can see as soon as you come out, actually the bins are here. Personally, I would move those beside the outhouse so they're not in the garden at all, and this would be a fantastic patio area. So much potential. Look how beautiful it is. You've got the sun in the garden the whole of the afternoon. So we've got this lovely lawn area as well. So again, great potential. You can see how enclosed it is. You're not overlooked at all. It's lovely. Really great. So if I walk down to the garden, you can see from this angle, the garden goes round. So that's personally where I would put the bins. So again, they're out the way and it would free up that lovely patio area. So you've got this great lawn area that has so much potential. You can make a stunning garden in here. And actually that outbuilding, again, it's great for storage, but you could potentially put a little home office or something in there, a little workroom, that would be fab, potting shed or something like that. And then you're doing up the patio and you're making that really lovely. So just to recap, this is the personal property tour for number 18 Turner Crescent in Methil. It's a 2-bedroom mid-terrace home. It's got lots of potential on offer here. It's in a really quiet area. It's off street, which is fantastic. So close to everything though. You literally are 2 minutes in your car and you're on the main drag. So that takes you down to Leven. So you've got the beach, the swimming pool, the train station that's coming, which is fantastic. It takes you along the coast. You've got Silverburn Park, you've got Levenmouth Glen, you've got London Lakes, you've got all the beautiful beaches. Likewise, you turn right, it's taking you to Crescent. Again, you've got the train station that's there. It takes you to Edinburgh and beyond. So really great commutable area. Lots of nice lifestyle choices here. You can walk on the 5 coastal path, no problem from here as well. It's literally about 3 minutes away, which is fantastic. It takes you down towards the beaches. Not only that, you've got all your local amenities here. And you've got primary school just round the corner too. So if you're starting up a family, which this is a great opportunity to do, it really does offer everything to you. This one is on the market with ourselves at the moment. It offers over 100,000. If this is of interest to you, feel free to message me directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at 5 Properties to be. Take care. Bye bye.